Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another exciting video. In today's video, I will be giving you 7 exciting topics of discussion that will help you get more emotionally and physically connected with your partner. Consider watching to the end and subscribe if you haven't. Now let's have it. Number 1. Talk about your sex life. Sexual intimacy is as important as romantic gestures. Talk about what turns you on, the positions or toys you'd like to try, your sexually sensitive spots, your secret fantasies and your sexual expectations. This will both be exciting and revealing at the same time, and you'll find yourselves discovering new things about each other. However, this also includes problems in bed. Speak up about them or they will eventually turn around and bite you in the back. If your partner is not performing as expected or your sex drive has reduced drastically, talk about it. Think of or suggest new ways of handling it together and you will be one step towards overcoming these issues. Sex and intimacy keeps a relationship happy and passionate. Couples who talk about sex have more sex because talking about sex makes it more enjoyable and more comfortable the more you do it. So if you desire to have a stronger connection with your partner, you should start talking about your sexual fantasies and expectations with them. 2. Talk about your past and future together. The past may not always be fun and exciting to talk about, but there will surely be hilarious moments to mention, like the times you did silly things as a child or your childhood dreams. You do not need to talk about painful memories like past relationships or go into sexual details. Talk about your plans for the future, the goals you have, your dreams, aspirations and life pursuits. Tell them what you intend to do. This will help the both of you understand each other's views. Talk about where you see yourselves as a couple in 5 years. Make goals that will urge you both to work towards strengthening your relationship. 3. Discuss how to handle conflict. You may want to discuss how each of you handles conflict. For example, if you are one who needs time to walk away and think before you respond in a heated moment, it is essential to tell your partner about your need for space, so they don't assume that you are ignoring them or giving up on the relationship. A conversation about conflict can also help you become aware of areas you can focus on to improve yourself and your relationship. For example, if you tend to raise your voice in an argument, it might be something to address now, before more disagreements arise. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe as we continue. 4. Talk about your long-term expectations. Consider what each of you wants from a long-term relationship. For example, do you expect a long-term relationship to lead to marriage? Kids? Living together? If marriage is your goal and your partner never wants to get married, you will have to discuss your options and decide how to move forward. Talking about your expectations, including how you expect to be treated, may also be essential for your relationship. Consider how much time you want to spend with your partner, and how you expect your lives will change as you become more serious. 5. Talk about your individual and personal interests. What do you truly enjoy doing? Share these thoughts with your partner and see which interests conflict and which ones complement one another. When these interests complement each other, try doing them together as it will bring you closer. For example, if you both love swimming, then both of you should try some swimming skills together. This way you will both have a stronger bonding towards each other. 6. Discuss trust and commitment. Trust is cherishing each other and showing your partner that you can be counted on. Choosing commitment means accepting your partner exactly as he or she is, despite their flaws. Trust is an essential element in every relationship and it must not be compromised, else your relationship will slumber, and so, talking about it will help you trust each other more and this way, you will be able to have a stronger connection with your partner. 7. The last. Talk about your growth and spirituality. The only constant thing in a relationship is change. The key is how each person in the relationship accommodates the growth of the other partner. Relationships can be more than just two individuals coming together. They can be stories of transformation and great contribution and meaning to the world. Therefore, talking about each other's growth and spirituality will help you to state and understand as well as respect each other's values and beliefs without conflicts. That will be all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Well, if there are other conversation ideas you think I didn't mention, drop it in the comments section, others will learn from it. Thanks for watching to the end. Kindly share this video with friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay guarded until we meet in my next video. Bye.